Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Firmansyah. NPM 191030610. I will the presentation of my material is probability and statistics. Probability Probability is used to state how likely it is that an event will occur in an experiment. Sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible results for an experiment or event. Sample points. The sample points are the members of the sample space or possibilities that arise. Event. Event is the set of certain results in the sample space, or it can be said to be subset of the sample space of an experiment. Theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the comparison between the expected frequency of events to the frequency of possible events or sample space. Theoretical probability formula P A and in the bracket equals to N A in the bracket divided by N S in the bracket. Information P A in the bracket equals to probability and A in the bracket equals to expected frequency of event A and S in the bracket equals to frequency of all experiments. Next. Theoretical probability example. In the bag there are 20 marbles with 8 red, 4 green and the rest are blue. Then one marble is taken randomly. Determine the probability of blue marbles are drawn. Answer: lots of marbles n s in the bracket equals to 20. Lots of red marbles equals to 8. Lots of green marbles equals to 4. Lots of blue marbles, and or blue equals to 20 minus 8 minus 4 equals to 8. P A in the bracket equals to N A in the bracket divided by N S in the bracket equals to 8 divided by 20 equals to 2 divided by 5. So the probability of blue marbles are drawn is 2 divided by 5. Statistics Statistics relate to the way of collecting, processing, presenting, and interpreting data and drawing conclusions. Statistics study data that can be obtained from the sample or the entire population. Sample and population. Sample Sample are part of the population that can describe the nature or characteristic of a population. Population Population is the entire object that is the source of research data. Data Data is collection of information obtained from observation. The data obtained can be in the form of numbers, symbols, or certain circumstance. Representation of data. Number one, presentation of data tables. This is, for example, table of student suicide. And number two, presentation of data in diagrams. This is example for pie chart and bar chart. Data center measure mean Mean is a measure of the average concentration calculated from the data obtained. Number one, single data mean. X bar equals to sigma xi divided by n. X bar is mean, sigma x is amount of data, xi is data to I, n is lots of data. Number two, group data mean. X bar is sigma fi multiplied by xi divided by sigma fi. X bar is mean, Fi is frequency value Xi is the midpoint of a certain range. Next, data center measure, median. Median a middle value of source data. Number one, single data median. If a lot of data is out, median equals to xn plus 1 divided by 2. For many even data, median equals to xn divided by 2 plus xn divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Number 2, group data median. Median equals to tb plus a half n minus fk in the bracket divided by fi in the bracket multiplied by p. ME is a median, TB is a button edge of median class, N is lots of data, Fk is cumulative frequency before the median class, Fi is median class frequency, P is class length. Next, data center measure mode. Mode is the data value that has the highest frequency. Number one, single data mode. A single data mode can be determined from the highest frequency data value. Number two, group data mode. Mode equals to TB plus D1 divided by D1 plus D2 in the bracket multiplied by P. MO is mode, TB is button edge of median class, D1 is the difference between the frequency of the mode class and the previous frequency, D2 is the difference between the frequency of the mode class and the frequency after, P is class length. Data center measure, example, it is known data on the grade 8 math exam scores 6, 7, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 6, 6, 10, 10, 7, 8, 9. Determine A mean, B median, C mode. Answer A mean. The formula of mean is x bar equals to sigma fi multiplied by xi divided by sigma fi. X bar equals to sigma xi divided by n equals to 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 15 equals to 116 divided by 15 equals to 7,733. So the mean of the math scores is 7,733. B median. From the math test score data, we must sort the data value to get the median. 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10. Because the data is odd, so the median is determined by taking the value that is in the middle. The median of the data is 8. C. Mode. Mode from the data can be determined from the highest frequency data value. Scores: 6 frequency 4, score 7 frequency 3, score 8 frequency 3, score 9 frequency 3, and score 10 frequency 2. So the mode from the math scores is 6 because 6 the highest frequency data value. Thank you. I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.